Mother Monster returns on the latest single from the Rolling Stones' forthcoming album, Hackney Diamonds, featuring alongside Stevie Wonder on the new single Sweet Sounds of Heaven. The last time fans got to hear Lady Gaga was on her Academy Award-nominated Top Gun. Maverick single, Hold My Hand, and now she's returned with some high-profile pals on the latest offering from the Rolling Stones' upcoming Hackney Diamonds album, set for release on October 20th. In addition to Lady Gaga's vocals and Stevie Wonder playing the Fender Rhodes, Moog and piano on this new single, the album also includes former Stones bassist Bill Wyman and recordings of late drummer Charlie Watts, as well as collabs with Elton John and the Beatles Paul McCartney. Speaking with Apple Music's Zane Lowe, Stones frontman Mick Jagger said of Gaga that he had never heard her sing quite that style before when recording the new collaboration, adding, "It was a great experience. Her just coming in the room and her just opening up and seeing her bits and feeling her way and then getting more confident. And then we came back and then did some extra parts that we hadn't done on the day. We did some tidying up and we were just in the overdub room, really face to face, getting them really tight, the parts really tight, and then being slightly competitive and screaming."